How to download Snapchat without App Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Snapchat without App Store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So since we're not using our App Store, we'll open up our Safari. Open up your Safari and simply search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, hit enter and wait till you see Snapchat's website. Now right here you will see the download button. You can tap on download and it will take you to Snapchat's website. After you're on Snapchat's website, you can scroll down and you will see iOS. Now if you're using Android, you can download Android version from here. If you're using iOS, you can download the iOS version. Tap on download, and after you tap on download, it will redirect you to your App Store. Now even if you do not have App Store, it will give you a small pop-up from App Store from which you can install Snapchat, and from there you can install Snapchat. Guys, thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.